beautiful peeps of YouTube, and welcome back to the channel. My name is Kat and you're watching Planning Calm, and here in this channel I love to share with you all the many ways I can help you plan your way to calm and plan a calmer life. Now, it is a wonderful time of year. We are in the way past middle of March now, and things are feeling good. Where I live in Atlantic, Canada, the birds are singing, the air is nice and crisp and warming up, the sun is shining, days are longer, and that means that I want to take my planning to go. I am not looking to spend my times indoors anymore. I want to take it outside and enjoy all that nature has to offer, the beauty, the foliage, all the good things. And so I thought I would share with you my perfect on-the-go planner tote with you. Now, if you have been around my channel, you will have seen this before. This is my planner tote, and I did a video on this about 2 years ago, a while ago. It just felt like yesterday, but it was one of my first videos, and I love this tote. Now, I got this tote, you know what, I'll have to link it down below because I can't even remember, it's been that long, but I absolutely love this tote. And if I can find some similar ones either on Amazon or Etsy, I'll be sure to link it below. And it's just such a great little pouch. So I thought what I'd do is I'm just getting ready. Mr. Calm and I are going to head to the park, and I thought I would just fill up my on-the-go planner tote with you, and we'll hit the road and plan in style. So here we go. So the material of this bag is canvas. It's a canvas tote, and it has different compartments, which makes it perfect as a planner tote. So I'm going to take my essentials with me and just have fun planning on the go. So the first thing I have is my Kindle. I love Kindle products. If you have a Kobo, those are great as well, but I'm going to stick that right in here. Next up, I have my everyday carry. This is my Sterling Ink Common Planner. Oops, upside down. It's my Sterling Ink Common Planner. I like to take this on the go with me so I can plan on the go and journal if I need to. I have the journaling pages in there. So I'm going to slide that in there, and you'll see that it's such a great fit. Things fit so lovely in here. I love it. Next up, I'm going to bring my book of stickers. Now, I got this from Amazon, and I love it because it has all kinds of seasonal stickers that just make planning fun and approachable. And I'm just going to stick that right, there we go, right in here like that. Okay, so this side is done. I have my Kindle, my planner, and my sticker book. And then on this side here, I'm just going to turn it over, and there's a pocket here, and in this little pocket I'm going to slide in some more stickers. So I have some Planner Kate and Coffee Monsters Co., two of my favorite shops. I'm just going to stick that in there. And I'm also going to stick my pencil case, and I just have everyday pens that I use and like to carry, so I put those in there. And then I'm going to add in, I want to test out these washi strips that I got. They were actually a gift for my birthday, so I thought I'd play around with some washi. I'm actually going to flip that over like this. Alrighty, and then I have these scissors I got for my birthday as well, and they're just kind of like on-the-go scissors. They're really good, and they really work well. I would check out Amazon if you like one, but I'm just going to stick that right in there. And then I have some additional pens. These are my beloved Sharpie pens, so I'm going to add those. I'm going to take them and add them to the side here, just like this. So I'm just going to line them up like that. So when I want to grab for them, I can just grab and go. And also in here I have some Miracle Balm from Burt's Bees. I'm just going to move that for a second, and then slide that in there like that. There you go. And then I also have an additional pen in case one pen stops working, so I'll put that there like that. And then I just have some glitter highlighters if I want to get extra fancy. So I love these. I'm going to stick these just in the side here, along with my beloved lip gloss, lip balm. This is from Bath and Body Works. And voila, my friends, that is it. That's all I'm going to take. And I also have some of these buttons here. I love decorating my canvas totes with buttons. So I'm going to put my book lover button here because I will definitely be reading in the park. And let's see, I think I'll also add my other certified bookworm pin just up here. Just like that. And then I'll add the backing. So what do you like to do? Do you like to head outside and plan on the go as well? Or do you like to continue routine by planning inside when the weather's good? Comment down below and let me know where's your favorite place to plan. I like to plan wherever, and I love the fact that my perfect on-the-go planner tote makes it easier for me to do so. So I hope you enjoyed this. Oh, I also have my my Kleenex. I can't forget that. I have allergies, so the Kleenex is going right in there. There you go. So there you have it, my friends. Thank you so much for joining me as I pack my on-the-go planner tote with you, getting ready for nice weather outside and getting outside to enjoy my favorite hobby, which is planning and planner decoration. So thank you so much. You'll find that this is the cutest little bag to take on the go with you. It is not too heavy. It's nice and light. Your things fit nice and solid, and it's just such a great way to enjoy things on the go. So I hope you enjoyed this, my friends. If you did, don't forget to give this video a like, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more fun planning content to come. So until next time, my beautiful friends, take care, be well, be blessed, and I'll see you all in the next planner video. Bye-bye, planner peeps.